What's going on, AI pros? Michael here. And in this article, we're talking about Elon Musk, who launches a Wikipedia rival, and he's calling it Grokpedia. So let's take a look. Elon Musk on Monday launched an early version of Grokpedia, an online encyclopedia written by AI that the billionaire has touted as a less biased alternative to the venerable online resource Wikipedia. The site resembles Wikipedia in style and format, with articles on topics such as ChatGPT, Diana Keaton, and the 2026 FIFA World Cup, but it appears significantly smaller, more opaque in its working, and more right-leaning in how it's framed some articles. Grokpedia's entry on gender, for instance, begins with the sentences, "Don't really care." This is the Washington Post who wrote the article, but the project is Musk's latest bid to harness Grok, the ChatGPT-like AI system developed by its company xAI, to offer right-leaning, freewheeling alternatives to popular mainstream tech tools. Musk admirers greeted its debut with excitement Monday, while critics highlighted examples of articles that contained falsehood or passages that copied Wikipedia verbatim. Musk's own Grokpedia entry differed strikingly from Wikipedia's page about him. It described some of his pursuits in breathless terms, saying his pushes for artificial intelligence emphasizes AI safety through truth-oriented development rather than heavy regulation, and that certain releases reflect xAI's rapid iteration. In contrast to Wikipedia's accolades section, Musk's Grokpedia page concludes with a section titled Recognition and Long-Term Vision that expounded on his beliefs. Why does it keep doing that? His long-term vision prioritizes safeguarding human consciousness against existential threats, emphasizing the establishment of self-sustaining multi-planetary civilization as a hedge against planetary scale. Dude, such big words. Wow. Or maybe I just have a 5th grade reading level. The site went live on Monday without fanfare or explanation, a week after the date Musk had initially set for its launch. Dude, on August or October 20th. It could also make Grokpedia prone to the sort of high-profile. Okay, let's read this article or this quote real quick. "Every major AI system trains on Wikipedia's freely licensed knowledge," said Stephen Harrison, a journalist and author who has covered Wikipedia extensively on Friday. "The irony is that Grokpedia will be built on the unpaid labor of the volunteer Wikipedia editors Musk has gone out of his way to vilify." Okay, let's go ahead and before we take a look at Grokpedia, let's go ahead and take a look at Musk's Twitter and see what he's been saying. This was 4 hours ago. This is being recorded on Tuesday. Nice work by the xAI team on Grokpedia. The goal here is to create an open source, comprehensive collection of all the knowledge, then place copies of the etched in a stable oxide in orbit, the moon, and Mars. Dude, I need to read Grokpedia or Wikipedia because I don't know, what does that mean? Okay, let's take a look at Grokpedia. Grokpedia. I'm not really sure what let's go. Who won last night? I don't know if that's the right type of question because I answered it like ChatGPT. Yeah, that's probably not a good question to ask. Let's go with, tell me the history of basketball. Search for history of basketball. Okay. The history of basketball originated on December 21st. James Naismith. I'll do the layout of this, but I honestly don't use Wikipedia. I understand why he's making this because AI scrapes data and stuff. I do have like dark mode on, but let's look at me. Let's see what it says about me. No, I know who that is. That's a football player. Let's look up Elon. No, let's look up. I think that's his name, the dude that created the Dell computer. Michael Dell. Did I not hit go? Michael Sal Dell. Okay, it has it by dates. Okay. I just wanted to show you this because it just came out. But let me know what you think below. Do some own searches and see if and compare it with Wikipedia and see what you guys think. But that is going to be it for this article, AI Pros. I will see you in the next one.